Okay, now let's have a look at the tilt and turn kit that is available for casement windows. This is a basic kit called OBG6 from Alu Alpha, and the handle is not a part of the kit. The rest of the parts that you see here, except the handle, is a part of the kit. And in addition to this, you will need restrictors, and which will be shown in due course. Now, OBG6 is a tilt and turn kit which is used for profiles with Eurogroove. It requires C220 restrictor, C220, and the assembly instructions are inside the box that is the package for the kit. It is good for 4-point locking, and extra points can be given for locking. Extra locking points can be given for the window through another kit. The biggest window we've done today is 2.1 meters by 1.5 meters. The OBG6 Plus that you see here now on your screens, it is the basic kit, but it also has 2 additional locking points. Again, please note that the handle shown here is not a part of the kit. This is the OBG6 Plus kit, and it has 2 additional locking points. This is the restrictor that you need to give for a tilt and turn window. This is normally placed here. That's the restrictor that I'm talking about, and the restrictor shown here in purple is a tilt then turn type of window. So if you want, from a closed window, you turn the handle by 90 degrees and the window tilts inwards. Close the window, turn the handle further 90 degrees, and the window opens inwards like a normal casement window, side-hung casement window. Now if you want that kind of an arrangement, then these are the restrictors that you need to give. And if you want turn then tilt kind of arrangement, this is the kind of restrictor that you need to give, which means from a closed window, turn the handle by 90 degrees, and then the window opens inwards like a normal side-hung casement window. Close the window again and turn the handle further by 90 degrees, and the window tilts inwards. What you see over here is the width of the sash, and this is what decides. For example, you will recommend 18218. You will recommend 18218 restrictor, this one, for window sash width from 563 millimeters to 1700 millimeters. So all the sizes are given here, and this is the turn then tilt variety. If you have very wide vents, then Alu Alpha specifies that we go in for this kind of a compass. These are the compasses.